Welcome to our Introduction to Customer Review Insights. In this video, we'll provide an overview of what Customer Review Insights is and how it can help you with insights to launch 4-star plus rated products in the Amazon store. Let us take you through an example. Adam is a product manager in Simple Furniture Company. He wants to launch a coffee table in Amazon. Currently, he is struggling to find the right insights that can tell him what are the most important features in a product that customers seek. Adam struggles to get accurate and holistic data and has to either use expensive tools or spend hours reviewing customer feedback to understand their preferences. He wishes to have access to a product that could simplify this discovery and generate insights on what customers really want and the issues they face in a product. He discovers this feature called Customer Review Insights under Opportunity Explorer tool on Seller Central page, which generates accurate product design insights by analyzing all customer reviews, including 100+ top-rated products in Amazon with 1,000+ reviews. By understanding customers' preferences and needs, now he can launch a 4-star plus rated coffee table. Let us take you through what Customer Review Insights is all about. Log into your Seller Central account. Hover over Growth tab and select Product Opportunity Explorer. Use the search bar and type the opportunities or find opportunities by categories. Click on any niche and it will take you to a landing page with 5 tabs. You can find Customer Review Insights as the 5th tab from left. Customer Review Insights displays positive and negative review snippets that shows which features customers like and dislike, as well as feature gaps in a product. You can delve into the topics that customers like about products, for example, assembly installation, strength, value for money, design, and other such features, and find customers' order of preference and verbatim phrases from customer reviews for each of these features. Similarly, you can also look at the negative review snippets and identify the potential gaps in the product. You can also find how each feature impacts overall product rating. For example, for a coffee table in Amazon, customers rank assembly installation as the most important feature, followed by storage capacity and strength. Meanwhile, durability, overall size, and alignment are aspects that customers tend to review critically for coffee table. You can work on improving these aspects in your new design and win over your customers. All of this information is also available at ASIN level, so you can look up your own product and benchmark it against bestsellers too. With the help of Customer Review Insights, Adam's new coffee table has made improvements to its assembly and strength. He worked with his research and development team to ensure the strength of the table exceeds customers' expectations. He included a pictorial-based installation manual in every unit and mentioned the assembly instructions in his detail page images and A+ content. These improvements have led to a successful launch for Adam, with a higher product rating than his previous launches and reduced customer returns and FAQs. View what some of our selling partners say about this feature.
Customer Reviews Insights will be instrumental to us in launching and relaunching products.
So when we start any new product projects, we actually start to study the customer insights. Specifically, we pay special attention top 5 or top 3 customer pain points.
Visible star rating is such an influential piece to whether or not a product is successful. And so I'm really excited to see how Customer Reviews Insights is going to let us figure out what are the key pieces that influence somebody to leaving a 1-star review or a 5-star review.
Customer Review Insights really helps us understand our customers better.